Hey everybody, I'm here giving you a new wash and go routine with a new method that I decided to try. I tried the in the shower styling method instead of styling my hair while out of the shower. So I'm going to show you how I do that method, and I will also be using a new line of products that I decided to try. It is Adwoa Beauty. If you follow me on my Instagram, which is at LaToya_Diana, you would have seen me talking about that brand a lot in my stories. So these are the two products that I use to style. This is the leave-in conditioner. It comes in this cute pump, and this is like the base for the style. So after, washing my hair, deep conditioning, rinsing out the deep conditioner, I use this product, and then followed it up with this one right here. This is their curl defining gel. So using both of these products, I did a wash and go, and these are the results. So if you would like to see how I did this wash and go in the shower method, then just keep on watching. So I shampooed my hair with the Baomint moisturizing shampoo, and then I followed that up with a deep conditioner, which is their Baomint deep conditioning treatment. And don't worry, I will be doing a full review on this line. So as you see here, I am rinsing out the deep conditioner, and my hair is already sectioned off from my detangling prior to deep conditioning. So I just keep my hair in those separated sections, and I will be working section by section going around my head. Now that the deep conditioner is all rinsed out, I'm using the Baomint leave-in conditioning styler. I'm taking about 4 pumps of that, and I'm going to rub it together in my hands and smooth that over my hair. And as you will see, I use the technique of massaging and smoothing the product into my hair first, and then once I feel like it's in my hair thoroughly, then I'll start to rake the product through my hair. Next, I am applying the Baomint moisturizing curl defining gel. This is a pretty thick product, and it is definitely a creamy gel consistency. I'm repeating the same technique here. I am smoothing and massaging the product into my hair first, and then raking the product through my hair. And don't be afraid to dip your hair under the water if you need more moisture. The more wet your hair is, the better your curls will be able to define. With the gel in my hair, I'm also doing the shingling method, making sure that my hair is fully saturated and wet, filled with product, and has really good slip. And I am just taking little pieces of curls and running my fingers down the curl to help them pop individually. This first section is now all done, and this is what it looks like with the leave-in styler and the curl gel in it. This is also a really good example of how different my curl pattern is, especially in the front of my hair. So I'm going to just clip the section that I already did out of the way and move on to the next section, pretty much repeating those steps. I'm going to rinse out the deep conditioner, then I'm going to apply the leave-in styling conditioner, and then I'm going to layer the curl gel on top of that. So I'm going to speed it up for you guys. Just sit back and relax and watch the rest of the tutorial. I did want to mention that I had tried the in the shower styling method before, like probably about 6 months ago, and it didn't really work for me then, so I thought that, you know, this just was a method that wasn't going to work for me. But then I decided to try it again, and I actually like it a lot better than styling my hair outside of the shower, only because I'm able to really, you know, get my hair soaking wet, and I don't have to worry about like water running down my clothes or anything like that. So if you ever try out a styling method and it doesn't work for you at first, definitely give it more than one try before you decide if it's something that you really want to stick to or not. So I'm all done applying the product to my hair. This is what my curl pattern looks like when it is soaking wet and filled with product. Definitely have a little bit of hang time, but you know, the shrinkage is real, so that's all gonna go away as soon as my hair dries. Before I get out of the shower, I am going to wring out all the excess water and products just to help my hair dry faster and prevent buildup when it's drying. Now, when you dry your hair, you can either air dry it, you can dry it with a diffuser, or you can sit under a hooded dryer. I have done all three of those things, and I also shake my hair out to help separate my curls and again get excess water out of my hair. And there you have it. This is the result of the wash and go. It's defined, but it's still very soft and movable, you know, like flexible. But my curls are still defined. So if you are looking for that soft wash and go result without the crunch, I would definitely suggest using this brand and giving it a try. They do recommend 2 different methods of how to do wash and goes depending on your hair type. Since I have thick hair and tight curls, I use the leave-in and the gel combo, but you could also do the leave-in and they have a curl cream for looser curls, and then you could also even just use the leave-in if you have looser curls as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down below if you use the in the shower method or the out of the shower method to do your wash and go. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new video. And also, after you subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell button that will pop up next to the subscribe button. That will notify you every single time that I upload a video, because YouTube is playing games, and just because you're subscribed to my channel, you're not always going to get notified of when I upload a video. So make sure you turn on the notifications for my channel. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.